So this is how the Cmind quiz helper extension works. So after installing it, you could just go to your extension list, pin it, and then directly click on it to access it. To gain access, you need to sign up to Creative Minds Thinkalike. So after you've got an account, you could just log in here. So after logging in, you could toggle the quick answer mode, which displays this blue lightning button here. So I'm going to test on how this works on a quiz. Let's take a quiz with in science. Okay, so immediately the question is displayed here. I can just click on this, and then it analyzes the question and the possible answers and simply gives me the right answer. Okay, so in here it says my correct answer is frog. So let me select frog. All right, next question. Okay, it says the correct answer is 12. Let me select 12. All right. Okay. So in addition to the answer it gives, it also gives a brief explanation should in case you are not sure if the AI's answer is right or not. And it also comes with a confidence score, meaning it's 99% confident that this could be the right answer. If it's not so sure, you'd see a lower confidence score. So this is how CMind Quiz Helper works.